like a cold side dish, don't you? Let's make our corn salad with fresh lemon and basil. Here's the ingredients you'll need. Don't forget to wash your hands. We're going to start off with 16 ounces of frozen corn that we have thawed, and to that we're going to add 2 tablespoons of chopped red onion and a tablespoon of fresh basil that has been chopped. Then we're going to mix that together. Now let's make the dressing. We're going to take 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and we're going to mix that together. And when you have that mixed, we're just going to add it to our corn. Then we're going to stir this together. And we're going to add a little salt and pepper. Once you've mixed everything together, you're going to put it into the refrigerator to marinate for about 30 minutes before you serve. Enjoy. Check out our recipes at